Hello everyone, I'm Purnima and welcome back to Amma's Healthy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to cook red rice perfectly, that too without soaking. Red rice is much more healthier than the white rice. It has lots of benefits. The white rice we consume is a refined version. What happens is while it is processed, the outer layer is removed, which contains all the nutrients and fibers. Whereas the red rice still has the husk over it, which is red in color, which is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and fibers. The red rice is rich in fiber, which helps in weight loss. Red rice has low glycemic index, which helps in controlling the sugar level in the body, making it good for diabetic patients. The rich magnesium content in the red rice helps in improving the oxygen circulation in the body. It is loaded with insoluble and soluble fibers, which helps in digestion and gut health. Consuming red rice keeps you full for a long time, hence helping in weight loss. It also helps in reducing bad cholesterol. It is a rich source of iron. Take half cup red rice, wash it well and then strain it. So the washed red rice is ready. Take the mixie jar and add the washed rice into it. Now just blitz it 2 times, 1 second each. We are doing this to break down the rice. Once we break down the rice, it cooks faster. We are not soaking the rice here, so if you cook the rice without soaking and also in full, it will take a long time to get it cooked. So it's better to blitz it, break it down and then cook it. Here you can see that the rice is split into 2. By doing so, you can save your time as well as fuel. Don't grind it too much, it will become so powdery, so when you cook it, it will be like porridge. Now place the pressure cooker on the stove and add the broken red rice. Add 1.5 cups of water. It's 1:3 ratio. You have taken half cup of rice, so 3 times the half cup, that is 1.5 cups. Now cook it over a medium flame. Cook it for 1 whistle. Put off the stove and keep it aside to rest for 20 minutes. Open the cooker after 20 minutes. You can see that there is still water present in it. So what we are going to do now is to cook it for another 1 whistle on medium flame. If you cook it in a single go, that is 2 whistles in a single go without giving any rest in between, what happens is all the water comes out and it will not be cooked properly. Put off the stove and wait until there is no steam coming out of the cooker. It's perfectly cooked now. If you like this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share. See you soon with a new video. Until then, bye.